Did you expect this?
How are you, sir?
We always expect it. You know, I've been here for a very long time. I have experienced this around 6 times from 1992 to the present, yung palit-palitan namin. So, as I said, we serve at the pleasure of our peers. So, there must be a plan or something. Maybe God has a different plan.
Oo. But is this because of the impeachment?
Believe it that way.
Is this because of the impeachment, sir? Yung nangyaring palitan ng liderato?
Probably. Probably. That's a very strong possibility. Because if I were Senate President, once the House approves the articles of impeachment and sends it to us, I will constitute and convene the impeachment court tomorrow.
May tampo ba kayo, sir, doon sa iba?
Hindi naman. Naiintindihan ko rin sapagkat may mga kanya-kanya silang agenda.
You weren't surprised at today's happening. Like
Not
you
really.
were ousted.
Not really. I was kind of expecting it because we've been hearing talks a few days ago. Hindi.
So it was the first time na narinig yung may numbers na
That's
dito.
why I did not resign. You know, I accepted the motion to declare all positions vacant. Kasi wala nung usual na ginagawa.
Sir, paano na ang impeachment yan, sir?
Sir,
Sir, paano lumapit na to the impeachment process here in the House?
I better ask the newly elected Senate President what he will do with it. And the rest of it. Basta sa amin, we will still continue with the work. We will insist that the impeachment articles, once submitted to us, be taken up.
sir, may pinagwawala kanina sa Senator Bato na pinigilan daw siya na pumasok dito. Meron kayong information doon? Nagagalit siya, may humarang daw.
Wala, narinig ko lang may nung kakagulo sa likod.
Sir, pero anong information? Pero sir, anong information sa inyo? Ano daw yun?
Sabi, may nagsabi na dadating siya. So siguro, baka merong mga pumipigil sa kanya or baka merong may kalay yung sinasabi ng ICC or the DILC, whatever, I don't know.
Sir, completely clueless. Sir, completely wala kayong idea sa mangyayari ngayon na magpupudita o may narinig na talaga kayong ganitong move?
More or less,
Sir?
once you are Senate President, you must always expect it. Ganun talaga yun. You know, sometimes loyalties, friendship, usually a Senate President is of no moment. You must have your back ready all the time.
Does it sadden you? Does it sadden you?
Or disappoint
Disappoint.
you, sir?
Masakit syempre, sir.
Hindi. Sa akin kasi, basta ganun, God has a different plan.
Pero
I
nakikita...
think may iba.
So you
Gusto mangyari.
will be
Na para wag akong maipit o mapahamak.
you will be back to minority leader, SP.
I will ask my peers.
Pero sir, ito
Most
ang...
probably. Most probably. Let's wait for them.
Pero sir. Pero ito, sir, live lang sa DZWB. Pero ito, sir, sa tingin niyo talaga para maharang yung pagkukumbin ng Senado bilang impeachment court.
Wala kang possibility yan. Very strong possibility.
Yun yung nakikita niyong reason behind the coup, sir.
Tingin ko.
Ano nakikita niyong changes dun sa takbo ng impeachment?
Depende. Hindi natin masabi niyo kung paano ang strategy.
Pero sir,
sa part niyo, sir, we will insist that the Constitution be followed by the Senate.
so what will become of the Senate, sir, kung hindi matuloy ang impeachment trial o wag lang impeachment court? Because
Nakakahiya sa taong bayan kapag pagka nagkagano ng Senado.
Pero sa party niyo, sir,